Hello friends, kumusta po kayo? Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipino Carpentera here in America. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong video na ito. This was taken years back, probably 2 years ago. And dito sana kami magtatayo ng aming bahay. First time ko nakita itong lugar na ito, na in love talaga ako. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, this is what I have been dreaming of. Gusto ko na may water feature yung next bahay natin. Sabi ko sa kanya, tapos na in love talaga ako sa lake. Kaso lang, hindi masyadong gusto ng asawa ko because number one, itong lake na ito malapit din sa river, so kailangan kaming magbayad ng insurance for flooding. Extra expenses na naman yan. Tapos wala itong sewer system, so pag build lang ng septic tank is $30,000 na as of 2 years ago. So siguro ngayon more than that na. Ayaw din ng asawa ko kasi malapit siya sa daan. So grabe yung ingay niya. At tingnan niyo naman ng mga kabayo guys. They are super duper friendly. Yung may-ari niyan ay may-ari din ng lake. Tapos itong lake na ito, ilang hektarya ito, tapos sinubdivide na, so bininta na niya yung ibang parte. Ang ayaw lang ng asawa ko talaga is napaka-arte kasi ang may-ari ng lake na ito. Kasi hindi kami pwedeng mag-swimming dyan. Anong use kung harap mo yung lake tapos hindi ka pwedeng mag-swimming? Tapos number 2 is pag mag-fishing kami, dapat 5 feet lang yung fishing rod namin. Ang dami talagang cheche-boreche. And ang pinaka na-discourage ko talaga is yung mga conditions niya na dapat yung bahay mo ay 2,000 plus square foot. Times 2 yan sa size ng bahay na namin, kinoconstruct namin ngayon. Anong gagawin namin sa napakalaking bahay? Dalawa lang kami ni Cory. Mag-hide and seek kami dyan sa bahay na yan. Tapos number 2 is it's so expensive. Like, very limited na nga yung resources namin. Kami na lang nga ang gumagawa sa aming bahay, tapos na-short pa kami. So, yun talaga yung so naka-decide na lang kami, ibinta na lang ito. Parang nasasad talaga ako guys nung bininta na namin ito kasi ayaw ko talagang pakawalan. This is my dream home. Kaya lang ang daming mga cheche-boreche, mga conditions yung binigay ng may-ari nito, kaya hindi talaga kaya sa bulsa namin. So we are like really near the airport, right? What if there will be problems with the airplane and then they will come to our house? Dami pang trabahoin guys, oh. And time check, 11:00 na. My golly. But anyway, ganun talagang buhay. Trabaho siya sa umaga, trabaho din sa gabi. Bisitahin ko muna yung mga flowers namin. Ito guys, I bought this kind of rose last year. Tapos ang talagang ganda yung mga niya, bulaklak niya kasi puti. Tapos iniwan ko lang doon sa labas no winter time. Tapos after that namulaklak naman siya nung spring. Tapos nung dinala ko dito, hindi na. Hey, ito din mahina din magbulaklak. Ito mga yung buds niya, ang bango-bango niya. Alright, dito na naman tayo. At least dumami ka na. Ha? Noon ikaw lang mag-isa, ngayon dami-dami nyo na. So how many are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan, 6 of them. Tapos may buds babaya. 3 buds yung nakita ko, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, ang dami pang buds. So, tapos ito si Pinky. Ikaw, tapos ka na. So I need to cut you soon. Tapos ikaw din. But thank you for the days that you made me happy. So yan, at wala pa siyang buds. So after this, wala na. Gagawa na naman siya ng bagong buds, but it would take probably, I don't know how long. Tapos ito, so far, nakakapit pa rin siya dyan. Hindi pa siya nahuhulog. And then look at this, guys. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh. I like this color. Coral orange, and then may pagka-pink din. So far, sila lang yung namulaklak dyan. Pero may buds dito na mga 2, 3. Yeah, I have 3 buds here. 4, 5. Okay. So, wag muna kayong aalis ha. Wag muna kayong mag-wither kasi ang ganda-ganda nyo. Now, this one is really perfect. I think they are the same variety. This one and this one only na ito is medyo darker na pink siya. At tingnan nyo sa angle na ito guys. Woo! Di ba nakakawala ng stress? Aren't they beautiful? Like look, ang dami. Ang dami-dami talaga. Where can you find that, huh? Tapos yan. Si Bloody Red. Ang ganda talaga niya guys. Burgundy pero parang dark na red ba. Hindi ko lang maabot kasi putot ako. Napakataas niya. 1 second. 1 second. Yan oh. Isn't that beautiful? Woo. Nakakawala ng stress guys. Di bali nang walang pera. Basta kayo. Yellow! How are you, Yel? Hi, Yel. Oh, bakit ka nakalbo dyan? Tinanggal ko kasi yung ano niya, yung mga leaves niya kasi nagba-brown siya. Tapos nagaganon, oh. May buslot-buslot. Ano kaya yung gagawin ko? Nagda-damage sila sa leaves ng mga bulaklak ko. Yan. Tapos ito, isa pa lang. Tapos ito, wala na talaga. And then these ones, they're still hanging in there. So, yan. I'm so happy. So yan guys, kahit na malapit ng hating gabi, yan, nagdidilig pa rin ang karpentera. Kasi ganun talaga ang buhay dito sa Amerika guys. Hindi pwede tamad dito guys. Kayod talaga ng kayod. And kung hindi ka kakayod na ako, hindi ka mabubuhay. Hindi gaya dyan sa atin, di ba? Kahit na hindi tayo mayaman, nakaka-afford tayo ng helpers, ng mga hardinero, may driver pa tayo. Pero dito sa Amerika guys, wala talaga ikaw lahat.
You know how to do it?
I need to have their downstairs.
Yeah. There you go. Wait. Like I said, you're just doing me.
Gusto ko talagang mag-planting guys kasi yung mama ko, nako, kung makita nyo lang yung bahay namin dyan sa Pilipinas, oh my gosh, puno ng bougainvillea, puno ng mga roses, tapos ang ganda-ganda talaga ng mga halaman na kakawala ng stress. Parang gusto ko itong activity na ito kasi ang ganda ng exercise, yung pag-layout ng sods or mga damo. Medyo mabigat siya kasi 1 inch yung soil na kasama dyan sa sod na yan. Pero ang nakaproblema lang is bakilid or ano bang bakilid sa Tagalog? Yung medyo may bangin ba, yung elevation niya ay pataas. Kaya nung nag-drive ako nung isang araw, pinagalitan ako ng asawa ko kasi halos hindi makaangat yung yung car namin. Hindi siya masyadong klaro dito na parang hindi siya bakilid, parang hindi siya bangin. But miss ko talaga yung lake guys. Malaki ang pagsisisi ko kung bakit namin ibenta ito. Hindi ko alam na na-install na pala niya yung aming pendant light doon, oh. Diyan sa may kusina. Hallelujah. It's not too bad. Tapos, ang ating may wagang chandelier. Tada! Yan. That's awesome. Overkill naman itong mga ilaw dito sa bahay. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga sana yan lang na chandelier na yan. At saka yung pendant light na yan. Gusto ng engineer na lagyan din ng mga ganito sa ceiling. Like, can light. So, anyway, ganun talaga ang buhay. Kaya, hindi naman siya yung nagagastos. But, in all honesty, I like a very well-lighted house. So, okay na rin ito. We have water. We have water.
What we'll do is we'll just turn it off after this, and then we'll figure out if we need like some.
Is he fixing or?
No, he did not. He said you guys might need gasket.
You guys.
Since he didn't do the fixtures.
I thought he was supposed to do the fixture. He just didn't do it.
No.
I know I did it, but
He would charge me additional.
He would charge. He
I
would
thought it was in the
charge.
contract.
No, it's just the
fixtures would have
piping.
been like. I mean, just to come out here for something is like what? 100, 200 just to show up. It's like, come on, man. So no, we just figured you can do the pictures because since you can do those and
He did not know how to do it.
oh yeah,
He asked me, it's like,
That's right. He didn't know how to put that one up.
I didn't either.
but you're the man who knows
What is
everything.
this? What is this garbage?
Rude.
Well, you know she gets all the weird ones. Huh?
No, Jacob said, you got the high-end stuffs in here. We do not know how to install it. High-end from China.
You say you put up this light or you put up this light. This one takes 5 minutes. This one takes 2 hours.
Yeah, that's why he was asking if we could just close out the contract because he said,
That faucet,
huh?
that faucet was like
Which one? The kitchen?
The one
the kitchen. It ain't done yet.
Yeah, I will have him look at it too. The plumbing, you said that it needs...
It needs hoses. And you'll probably have to buy the hoses, right?
I think you're overwatering it, Borg.
No, there's no such thing.
Guys, sorry na videohan ko ito kasi first time namin magkatubig na. Thank you Lord, we have water. So hindi na kami magdadala ng ilang tabo. What's tabo? What's pail in Tagalog?
So Gary really did hook it up for us.
Now I'm sure like they're really happy with the water.
Oh yeah, the grass. I mean, the grass is getting.
Guys, tingnan niyo itong garden hose namin, parang ahas. One second. I'm just taking a video of how it would shrink.
Turn it off already?
Yeah. This is awesome. Woo-hoo.
Did I need to use it now, though?
Not too bad. 8th day, I haven't even gone halfway yet. Like, work. Tapos yun pa, yung dapat kong tatapusin. Buti na lang ay yung bedrooms namin ay carpet. I think I over-ordered the flooring.
They only give you one size, one quote. Either get 770 or you get 1500. You couldn't get anything else.
Really?
Yeah.
We cannot return it?
No, so you're not gonna be returning. By the time you get done with, you got to figure out where you're putting your tile too. So you need to.
Well, we can probably just, if we still have like enough hardwood, I'll just go all the way down there
This too.
to the floor. Yeah, I know that. Jeez.
I think you'll go through it.
Yun na, ito na yung carpet para sa 2 bedrooms namin, yung sa master bed at saka sa office. Pang masahe na sana sa Pilipinas, di kumuha siya ng carpet na mahal. O di kumuha din ako ng Christmas decor. Tapos ito, parang irrigation sprinkler doon sa aming bagong tanim. And that one is a hose for the sprinkler. Tapos ito is solar light para sa labas. Ito para sa carpet. And then, woo! Guys, na-miss ko talaga yung Pilipinas pag nakakita ako ng Christmas decors. Parang gusto kong bilhin yan. Yan lang, wala na kaming budget. Tingnan nyo. Guys, I really miss home. Noon, pag makakita ako ng ganito, dyan pa ako sa Pilipinas, like, I'm always dreaming of a white Christmas dito sa Amerika na mag-snow, mag-ano. Pero ngayon, after 18 years dito sa Amerika, pag makakita ako ng ganito, ay gusto kong umuwi. Nami-miss ko na, homesick ako. Siguro sabihin ng Panginoon, ano ba talagang gusto mo? Ano ba talaga, kuya? But oh well, I think it's just the way it is. Human heart is very deceitful. Kaya, pero ang cute-cute niya, no?